So this is an incredible privilege for me and a great pleasure because I was there at the beginning when WVVH hit the air.
We flipped the switch.
In 1994.
Right.
Tony Bullock, the East Hampton Town Supervisor, and I were mutually got you started. Put you on the air. And it was a privilege then that you would think of Tony and I to be the ones to put you on the air.
You also want to think if we ever have to turn the station off. So we still have the switch.
Well, you've come so far, and as we were chatting, you said you were in 3 or 4 million homes now across the region. But it's important.
And many of them have TV sets.
Yeah, well, that's important too. But the fact is that you were pioneers, and you had a vision, and you made it happen. And it's incredible that the work that you've done. But now you've been recognized by your peers, and you're in the New York State Broadcasters Hall of Fame. And having been there at the beginning and watched your entire run here with WVVH, and to see the success that you've had, it's my pleasure to present you with a proclamation from the New York State Assembly, commemorating the honor that you've received from the broadcasters, your membership in the Hall of Fame. I'm glad to be able to say that I knew you went. Oh, congratulations!
Thank you. Can you fix it from the Baseball Hall of Fame?
So, well, if I could get Pete Rose in, I should be able to get you.
Absolutely.
So, I don't know about that.
It's in New York State, so we figured, Cooperstown. And,
Yeah. So,
Fred, this means the world to us, especially coming from you, because your influence on the eastern end of Long Island is profound. Anyone who loves the Hamptons, who respects the Hamptons, know that one of the pioneers, if not the pioneer of saving the environment, of doing for this community, of helping every not-for-profit, is Fred Thiele. And God bless you, and thank you for going into politics, because your influence has been tremendous in what you've done for all.
Well, when I was 10 years old, I couldn't decide whether I wanted to go into government or join the circus. And by being a member of the New York State Assembly, I've been able to do both.
My brother and I part-time do the trapeze act, and it gets really hard.
Especially at all way.
Thank you so much, and congratulations. It's really an honor for you guys.
Thank you.
It's great. I'm glad you got the
I'll try not to drop this.